I'm Jonathan, and here's my review of the movie Black Panther. Black Panther has scenes in a few different countries like South Korea and England, but most of the film it takes place in a fictional African country called Wakanda. The protagonist is T'Challa. He's the Prince of Wakanda. Wakanda is believed to be a poor country by outsiders, but in reality, they're a highly developed civilization with megacities and superhuman abilities. This is because of a natural resource in the country called vibranium. However, the audience learns that there is a Wakandan trader named M'Baku in the United Kingdom who attempts to steal a vibranium artifact in a museum. M'Baku hears about the death of T'Challa's father, and he thinks that T'Challa is weak for his inability to protect his father from death. After T'Challa is crowned king, M'Baku challenges him to a duel for the throne. T'Challa is thrown into a nearby river as believed to be dead, making M'Baku king. M'Baku is strongly disliked by his people because he's pretty much a dictator to Wakanda. T'Challa is found alive beside a river, and he is healed by his family. The main conflict is the power struggle between M'Baku and T'Challa after M'Baku won the duel. Overall, I really enjoyed this film, and I would give it an 8.5 out of 10, but I wish there was some more action. I hope you enjoyed my review.